Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help section on the Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the help section, and here you can find different information about how to play, duel words, duel word facilities, cards, decks, dueling, and terms used in card text. Select one and just step on it, and here you can find more information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.